Hi guys, welcome back. This is Celine from It's Simple Artisan Soaps. Today I am going to be making a soap with egg and red Mediterranean clay. So this soap is, I'm making a very small batch. It's just like 500 grams of oil. And this soap is going to be something which can be for the hair and the skin because egg and the Mediterranean clay both have properties that help with hair and skin. So I'll get into the making. I'll show you all. I'm making it for the first. I've never made an egg soap, so I normally use clay, kaolin clay for my soaps. I'm using red clay. One is for its benefits, and one because I wanted to just give it a little, the soap a little color. So I will tell you all the benefits of this during the making. So let's get into the making of this soap. I'm making it for the first time. I've never used egg, so I don't know how it'll react. I'm hoping it'll be good. So if it turns out good, okay. If no, we learn from the mistake. Okay, so let's get into it. So in this, what I have is, that's my recipe. Okay, so I have 50 grams of cocoa butter. So I use the white cocoa butter, unscented. So it's basically refined cocoa butter. I have 100 grams of coconut oil. I have 125 grams of olive oil. I have 150 grams of palm oil, and I have 75 grams of castor oil. So that's what's going on in here. Okay. Now this is my lye solution. I have 150 grams of water, and I have 72 grams of lye. I have 5 grams of citric acid. I have half a teaspoon of sugar, and I have a quarter teaspoon of salt. So sugar is to help with the foam, the lather, and the salt is for easy unmolding. So that's what is going on in here. Now, this is my red Mediterranean clay with my fragrance oil. So I have pre-mixed it. In this, it is one whole egg, so the white and the yellow, and some of the oil that I had when it was heated, now it's at room temperature, I added to that and I mixed it well. Okay, so now let's start with the making. Let me just get my gloves and things like that and I'll continue. Okay, so I'm all set. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to add this solution of my clay and my fragrance oil to my oils and butters. Give this a whisk before I add in the lye solution. After this, I'll add my lye solution. Once this reaches trace, I'll add in the Now to see what are the benefits of egg and red clay for the skin and hair. Okay, so let's go with egg for skin first. Now the benefits of egg for skin is that it helps and it has anti-aging. Eggs have anti-aging properties. It removes wrinkles, lightens, brightens and tightens the pores, removes acne, blackheads, and it helps with the dark circles under the eyes. It's a natural humectant. The egg yolk is a natural humectant, so it helps keep your skin moisturized. It doesn't remove the moisture from the skin. So those are the benefits of egg for skin. Now, benefits of egg for hair. I'm sure most of you all have used egg for hair. So it basically helps with smoothening the hair. It improves the texture. It strengthens the hair shaft, strengthens and stimulates hair growth, reduces hair fall and breakage. So we have reached light trace. Now to this I'm going to add the egg. So this is egg with my oils and butters. Now, benefits of Mediterranean clay for hair. It is detoxifying. It detoxifies. That means it removes all the dirt and grim and things from your hair. It nourishes hair as it has many minerals and trace elements. It stops hair from thinning. I mean, look at this. It stops hair from thinning. It prevents hair breakage. It conditions the hair, soothes the scalp. In fact, soothes scalp problems, and it fights dandruff. Now, for the skin, again, it regenerates skin texture and promotes renewal of skin cells. It's an excellent facial cleanser, and it soothes skin and reduces redness. Now let me go in with my blender and see how this works. Okay. So I think we are done with the mixing, and yeah, these were the benefits, and the rest of the benefits you all can obviously research. Even I just researched it on Google. I am not an expert at it, but I remember as a kid my mother used to use egg shampoo for my hair, and we used to use egg packs on our hair, so it was like egg was the best thing that could happen to your hair. So egg is like an age-old, it's like an age-old ingredient for hair basically. It did trace fast. I don't know if it is the fragrance or is it because of the egg. I am not sure. Though I did soap at room temperature, my oils, my lye, everything was at room temperature. So I don't know if it was because of the fragrance oil or was it because of the egg. But it is workable. It's not that it is not workable. Sorry, that's my dog. She's a guard dog. She's a Great Pyrenees. So she thinks that she has to guard us from anyone walking up or down the street. So do this. And they also say that egg helps with a lot of lather. So when I unmold it and we do the lather test, we'll see what lather we get for this. So here we have these soaps. Spray them with 99% rubbing alcohol. Doing this just to avoid any soda ash, but if you just reduce the water content, also you can reduce soda ash. So now that's about it for the making. I mean, y'all can use any combination of oils and whatever y'all want. It's just that if y'all are changing, or even if y'all are not changing and y'all are making soap, always run your recipe through a soap cal so that y'all know exactly what and how much to use. So I'll get y'all back when I'm ready to unmold this. So as of now, I just leave it. If you want it to go through gel phase, you can insulate it. If you don't want to, you just leave it. So I'm going to put this in my oven. I'm not going to heat up the oven. I'm just going to put it there just so that, you know, it's in a close place. That's about it. If it goes through gel phase, good. If it doesn't, it's fine. I have no issues. So I'll get you all back when I'm ready to unmold this. Okay, so we are here to unmold. I unmolded almost all. I just left two so that I can show you all. This is easy to unmold from these singular molds. Not really difficult. That's what it looks like. So it's been like 24 hours since this was made. So that's what it is. We'll do the lather test and see. I mean, it's been only 24 hours, so I don't know how much lather I'll get out of it, but we can always see. I mean, the lather is really good even though it's just 24 hours. So, you know, egg I think really helps boost the lather. So yeah, so if you think that this video is helpful and you know it is something that you'd like to see, please do hit the like button, subscribe for those who haven't subscribed, and see you all soon in the next one. Bye.